Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Safari cannot open the page because server cannot be found. If you are having this kind of error, then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to close the Safari. The first thing you have to do, you have to simply open the setting, and in setting you have to check whether you have connected to internet, which means whether you are using proper Wi-Fi network or not. And after that you have to do the same for the mobile data also, which means you have to check your mobile data whether it is working properly or not. And after that you have to close that, and you have to open the setting again, and you have to scroll down, and here you have to simply search for the Safari, and here you have to scroll it down, and you have to click on advanced, and here you have to simply click on website data, and here you have to click on remove all website data. And after removing all the website data, you have to go back, and you have to simply click on the settings for the next trick, which is as you have to provide the all cookies to the Safari. As you can see, here is block all cookies, so you have to turn off this toggle so that you can allow all cookies on the Safari. After that you have to check whether your mobile data is working properly or not, and after that hope your problem will be solved. Now we are going to check our error has been fixed or not. Now we are going to open our Safari app again and check whether our problem has solved or not. And as you can see, we are connected to the internet back again, and that error is not occurring again. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.